to be building. Alright, let's do it. It is hot. Oh damn, you gotta go one way to look at one part and one way to look at another. Oh, it's a...
What?
No?
No.
You get up over it.
No.
Okay, we'll go
This way.
We'll go this way first.
Okay, here's a call.
Bailey.
Call that you would go that way.
That's so sad.
How dare you? Man, these ended up out here. I wonder what this place was, like a mine. Some sort. And it looks like a... Wow. It's crazy how the building's totally deteriorated.
Felt like I just ran.
Yeah, the heat really takes it out of you. Oh, boy. Wow, like the trailer, the receiver on that. It's crazy. Super long. It's quite a wagon. Okay, so there's the thing in here. Stay outside back, so don't climb on this stuff. That's a lot of mules. It's an unfortunate situation. I don't think I have a bathroom here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is lonesome. This is lonesome. It's lonesome. Oh, borax is what they were getting here, literally. Okay, I get it. Ew. No, imagine having boiling tanks and hot steam everywhere, all in the midst of this fun heat. Well, that sounds great.
I feel like I just ran all the way up here.
You're gonna go around? Alright, I was gonna whip around just that leg and come back.
Let's go.
So I can get the back side of it.
Nope, we're finishing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's hurry because we didn't put the sunscreen on.
We realized we forgot to put sunscreen on, so we're frying, so we gotta get in out of this sun, because as you can see, there's literally no sun protection, hence the name Death Valley. It will cook you.
I'm gonna have such a farmer's tan.
The farmer's tan. What's that out there? I wonder. The building out top here. Nothing left of it. The cable that's holding on my hat. That's crazy. So I wonder what's the borax out here. Dang, as we get more perspective from where our car is down there. Way down there. This is... Oh! It's up here. For an hour. 3 hours later. Woo! Nearly there. I'm making the trek for you so you don't have to, people. Holy moly. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Okay.
The best riding I've ever seen. Stay outside the fence.
Look at this wall, it's just made out of straight up
Stay outside the
dirt and rock. Well, you can see people have clearly been in there. They've got their names on the rocks inside of there. You can see them down there. Still pretty cool, even without the vandalism. Big old giant furnace. Can you imagine firing up that furnace out here in the 120-degree weather? Just be ridiculous. It's crazy cool how they leveled the land to be able to do that. Like, clearly they cut out a big swath of the gravel and then built their own little walls there. Like, how cool is that? Whew. All right, and now we begin the trek back in the beating sun. So we will pick back up when we get to the next leg of the adventure. For now, we're gonna get down there and get to that. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for hanging in there, and make sure you check out the other videos in this series. And then thank you for tuning in. All right, we'll pick back up on the next leg.